Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hello, friends. It's so nice to see you. Or should I say, to talk with you again.
Today's episode is something you can use every day. Very practical, very real.
Yes, today we'll learn English for supermarket shopping.
Buying groceries, asking prices, being polite, everything you need.
And don't worry, simple, slow, easy English only.
Let's start with a story.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a supermarket.
The lights are bright. Maybe you push a trolley or hold a basket.
You see fruits, bread, milk, and many people speaking fast English.
And you think, oh no, how do I ask for things?
Don't worry. Today, you'll learn how to speak, even if it's not perfect.
The first thing you might say when you enter is, "Excuse me, where is—"
Yes, that's one of the most useful phrases.
Let's practice together. "Excuse me, where is the milk?"
Or, excuse me, where can I find the rice?
You can use this pattern anytime. It's polite, short, clear.
And if you forget a word, it's okay. You can say, excuse me, where is this? And point to it on your phone or picture.
That's brave English. Not perfect, but smart and clear.
Now you find the milk section.
You see many types: whole milk, light milk, soy milk.
You look confused. An employee sees you and asks, can I help you?
You can reply, "Yes, please. I need milk, but I don't know which one."
Perfect sentence, short and kind.
Then the staff might say, "This one is full fat. This one is low fat."
You can respond, okay, I'll take this one. Thank you so much.
Easy, natural, polite.
Sometimes we want to ask for prices.
Yes, very useful. Let's practice.
Excuse me, how much is this?
How much is this? A perfect survival phrase.
Let's repeat it 3 times slowly.
How much is this?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Nice. You can also say, what's the price, please?
Or, is this on sale? When you see a discount tag.
And if you didn't understand the answer, say, sorry, can you say again?
Or, sorry, could you repeat, please?
Okay, now you have milk, bread, and fruits, and you're ready to pay.
So you go to the checkout counter.
The cashier smiles and says, hello, did you find everything okay?
And you can say, "Yes, thank you," or "Yes, all good."
The cashier says, that's €15.40, please.
Oh, you open your wallet and maybe you're nervous.
You can say, can I pay by card?
Yes, very useful. Can I pay by card?
Let's repeat, can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
The cashier says, yes, of course.
Then you hear, "Please insert your card."
You tap, you wait, and finally the cashier says, thank you, have a nice day.
You smile back and say, "Thank you, you too."
Boom, you did it. You used English in real life.
Let's create a short role play for practice, okay?
Perfect, let's do it. I'll be the cashier and you'll be the shopper. Hi there, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you, all good.
That'll be €22.60, please.
Ah, okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Please tap your card here.
Okay, done.
Perfect, thank you. Would you like the receipt?
Receipt? What is receipt?
Receipt is the paper that shows what you bought and the price.
Ah, okay. Yes, please. I want the receipt.
Sure, here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. That was great.
Yes, very real. And see, even if you didn't know one word like receipt, you can ask calmly.
You didn't stop speaking. You learned a new word and continued.
That's perfect communication.
Let's talk about some little mistakes learners often make in the supermarket.
Yes, very good idea.
Many people say, I want pay card.
Oh yes, the correct way is, I want to pay by card.
Or even better, can I pay by card? More polite.
Another one is, give me bag.
Yes, a better way is, can I have a bag, please?
Or, could I get a bag, please?
Very common and very easy to fix.
And remember, even if you forget the big sentence, a smile and please or thank you go a long way.
Politeness is always the best English.
Let's teach a few more helpful phrases before checkout.
Sure, here's one. Excuse me, do you work here?
Oh yes, that's helpful when you need help.
Then you can say, can you help me find the eggs?
Or, can you tell me where the butter is?
If you're not sure how to say something, you can show it on your phone.
Yes, or say, sorry, I don't know the word, but I need this, and show a picture.
That's smart English, real conversation English.
Let's imagine one more small scene.
Okay, you're buying apples.
You see two signs. One says $2.99 per kilogram. Another says $2.50.
You're not sure, so you ask, excuse me, are these the same price?
The employee says, no, those are on sale today.
You say, ah, okay, thank you very much. Then maybe, can I take this bag? Or, can I use this basket? Polite and easy.
These small phrases build your confidence every time.
Let's review the most important phrases today.
Yes, let's do a quick recap.
Excuse me, where is...
Excuse me, where is the rice?
How much is this?
How much is this?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I have a bag, please?
Can I have a bag, please?
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please. I want the receipt.
Wonderful. These are your supermarket survival sentences.
If you use just these 5, you can shop anywhere in English.
You see, English in supermarkets is not scary.
Yes, it's friendly English, everyday English.
And when you try, people respect your effort.
Even if your English isn't perfect, your smile says everything.
Mistakes are okay. Silence is not.
That's right. Better to speak simply than stay quiet.
And each time you go shopping, try one new phrase.
Maybe next time say, good morning.
Then, can you help me find the apples?
Step by step, your confidence will grow.
You'll stop worrying about the words.
And start enjoying the talk.
Before we finish, let's make a little challenge for our listeners.
Ooh, yes, a supermarket challenge.
Next time you go shopping, speak one English sentence.
Just one. For example, excuse me, where is the sugar?
Don't worry how it sounds. Don't worry if you pause.
Just speak. Just try.
And then later, you'll smile and say, I did it.
One last message. You are learning. You are improving.
Every word you say opens new doors.
So be brave. Speak English even in the supermarket.
Because your English is enough.
Yes, your English is enough.
Thank you for joining us today on Everyday English Chats.
We're proud of you. So proud.
Until next time,
Keep speaking, keep smiling,
and shop with brave English.
always.